Did you know that up to 50% of nutrients can vanish during cooking? It's a startling fact that underscores the importance of preserving vegetable nutrition. In this video, we'll explore simple yet effective methods to retain those vital nutrients. So let's dive into the secrets of cooking while keeping your vegetables health-packed. Welcome to our journey into vegetable nutrition. Often misunderstood, the way we cook and store vegetables can significantly impact their nutritional value. Join us as we uncover these misconceptions, ensuring your meals are as healthy as they are delicious. Let's delve into the world of vegetable nutrition together. In our daily rush, we often overlook how cooking and storage habits can strip vegetables of their essential nutrients. Overcooking is a primary culprit, turning vibrant greens into dull, nutrient-depleted mush, affecting both taste and health benefits. Additionally, improper storage, like leaving vegetables exposed to air or light, accelerates nutrient loss. Many are unaware that using the wrong preparation techniques further compounds the problem, significantly reducing nutritional value. Every meal preparation offers a chance to either preserve or destroy the nutrients your body needs. Recognizing these pitfalls is crucial to maintaining ingredient integrity. Awareness is the first step. Acknowledging that small changes in handling vegetables can greatly impact health outcomes. Stay with us as we explore strategies to enhance and protect nutrient content in your meals. Next, we'll delve into the impact of heat, freshness, and precise cooking methods that can transform your culinary practices and boost your nutrition game. In this segment, we dive deep into preserving vegetable nutrition. Ever wondered how heat affects vitamins and minerals in your veggies? Let's unravel the mystery. High temperatures can diminish vital nutrients, stripping your vegetables of their health benefits. But fear not, the key lies in understanding freshness. The closer your vegetables are to their harvest time, the richer they are in nutrients. Freshness is indeed your ally in this nutritional journey. Next, we explore the impact of various cooking techniques: steaming versus boiling, sautéing versus frying. Each method interacts differently with your vegetable's nutrient profile. Choosing the right technique can mean the difference between a nutrient-rich dish and one that's lacking. As we continue, consider how these elements work together. Heat, freshness, and technique form a trifecta that can either safeguard or sacrifice the nutrients you seek to preserve. Understanding these dynamics empowers you to make informed choices in your kitchen. Stay with us as we uncover effective methods that will revolutionize your cooking and storage approach, ensuring your vegetables remain as nutritious as possible. In this key segment, we uncover the most effective methods to keep your vegetables bursting with nutrients. Cooking vegetables doesn't have to mean losing their precious vitamins and minerals. Start by choosing steaming over boiling, as it retains more nutrients. Surprisingly, microwaving can also be a great ally in preserving vitamins thanks to its quick cooking time and minimal water use. Consider sous vide, a technique that involves vacuum sealing vegetables and cooking them slowly at low temperatures to lock in their nutritional value. Use oils wisely. A drizzle of olive oil can enhance nutrient absorption from vegetables. Remember, timing is everything. Cook your veggies just until they're tender crisp to maximize their health benefits. Additionally, explore the power of combining certain foods. For example, pairing tomatoes with healthy fats like avocado increases lycopene absorption. By adopting these lesser-known techniques, you not only maintain the vibrant colors and flavors of your vegetables, but also their nutritional punch. Embrace these practices in your kitchen and witness the transformation in your meals and health. Up next, we'll summarize these insights and encourage you to rethink your cooking habits. Stay tuned for more tips on making every meal a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, preserving nutrients is simple with the right techniques. By adopting mindful cooking and storage practices, you can maximize the nutritional value of your vegetables. Let's rethink how we cook and make small changes that lead to healthier meals. Embrace these tips and start transforming your kitchen habits today. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your own tips in the comments below. Stay tuned for more by watching our next video on healthy cooking practices. Together, let's make every meal a nutritional powerhouse. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into nutritious cooking and storage methods.